In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, my dear friends, very good morning. Today, again, we are up to the task of vocabulary development. Vocabulary plays a significant role in development of your language, whether it's a written language or it's spoken English. At the same time, grammar plays a crucial role in making your sentence structures. So if you have got a sentence structure, along with about lots of words, sometimes the fancy words which are known as advanced vocabulary, and simple words that are already used in day-to-day conversational English, informal language, and advanced vocabulary is used normally in written expressions, written English. So both are important. Simple words are important for using in conversational English, and advanced language, advanced vocabulary is crucial to make your sentences for writing. You're writing essays, you're writing any formal academic assignment. It's compulsory to know about those decent words or fancy words. So today, what are we going to do? The important thing is to know about simple words, simple vocabulary, and we will also come to know about its advanced synonyms, and we'll come to know about their meanings, spellings, of course. But the most important thing is we'll try to use those advanced words in sentences. You are going to help me out. You will be doing this job, and I know you can do it better than me. So your involvement is compulsory to learn language because you are learning it. It's an interactive class. We have to interact with each other. If you're interacting with me, and sometimes we are interacting with one another if we are up to the task of a kind of discussion or debate. So it all depends what we're going to do. Today's exercise is going to be very important for everybody to learn new words and to learn easy words for conversational English, for spoken English, and advanced vocabulary for using in formal academic situations. Here you go. So, dear friends, here you go. Your first word, please.
My first word is good job.
Good job. लेकिन जब आप good job कहते हैं तो good job नहीं कहते normally English में. Good job. Good job. Job को good job की बजाय good job. Good job. It's a good job. Right. इस तरह से बात करते हैं. Fantastic. You've done a good job. Right.
Advanced synonym is exceptional performance.
Advanced synonym is exceptional performance. Yeah. Good job is something about spoken English. It's simple. And exceptional performance is it's advanced vocabulary, advanced synonym. So you can use it in writing English. Okay.
Urdu meaning is shandar karkardagi.
Okay.
Now we use in sentence. You did an exceptional performance in the competition. आपने मुकाबले में शानदार कारकर्दगी दिखाई.
You did exceptional performance in the competition. Shabash. Fantastic.
My word is happy. And the advanced synonym of happy is elated. E-L-A-T-E-D.
Yes, happy or a simple vocabulary. It's advanced synonym here. Elated. E-L-A-T-E-D. Elated. Okay.
Meaning is khush.
Khush.
You can use this in a sentence. She was elated when she received the good news.
She was elated when she received the good news. जब उसने खुशी की खबर सुनी तो बहुत खुश थी वो. जब अच्छी खबर सुनी उसने तो बहुत खुश थी.
My simple word is sad, S-A-D, sad, and its advanced synonym is despondent, D-E-S-P-O-N-D-E-N-T, despondent. Now let's use despondent. Now use this expression in a sentence. He felt despondent when he heard disappointing results.
Yes, despondent होता है sad, the advanced vocabulary है. Simple is sad, or he felt despondent after hearing the disappointing news या disappointing results. उसे मायूस कुन नताइज सुनकर गम महसूस हुआ या उसने जब मायूस को नताइज सुने तो वो गमगीन हुआ. राइट. Fantastic. The next one, please.
My word is angry.
Angry. A-N-G-R-Y. Angry.
Advanced synonym
Meaning?
enraged.
Enraged.
Gussa. She was
Enraged.
enraged
Okay.
by the unfair treatment.
She was enraged by the unfair treatment. उसे नाइंसाफी वाले सलूक पर बहुत गुस्सा है. Enraged. Angry. Enraged. E-N-R-A-G-E-D. Enraged. Fantastic. Very good. The next one, please.
My word is tired.
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 Tired. T-I-R-E-D.
Advanced synonym exhausted.
Shabash. Exhausted.
Translated thaka hua.
Thaka hua. Exhausted. Excuse me, guys. Hello. Exhausted. E-X-H-A-U-S-T-E-D. Exhausted. Thaka hua.
After the long hike, I felt completely exhausted.
After the long hike, I felt extremely or completely exhausted. तवील सफर के बाद मैं बहुत थका हुआ महसूस किया मैंने. शाबाश. Doing good job. अच्छा काम चल रहा है. Very very good. You're doing good job. Good job. Exceptional performance. Right.
My word is easy. Advanced
आपका
vocabulary.
बहुत आसान वर्ड है कोई? The word is easy. Okay. आपका जो की वर्ड है वो है easy.
Easy.
Vocabulary word.
Effortless.
और easy की स्पेलिंग भी बहुत easy है. बताने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. E-A-S-Y.
Easy.
अच्छा
Effortless.
बच्चे इसको easy peasy भी बोल लेते हैं. It's fine. My job is easy peasy. Effortless. बहुत आसान है.
The task made effortless to him. इसे ये काम बेदिली महसूस हुआ.
The task easy का है जी effortless. इसे less नहीं बोलना, less बोलना है. क्या बोलना है?
Less.
Effortless.
Effortless
So
to him.
the task seemed effortless to him. उसे बहुत ही आसान महसूस हुआ ये काम. शाबाश. Okay.
My word is strong, S-T-R-O-N-G, and advanced vocabulary is robust,
No. Robust.
robust, R-O-B-U-S-T, meaning is mazboot. The robust structure of the building withstood the earthquake.
The
Amarat
robust structure of the building, मजबूत जो structure building का, withstood, उसने बर्दाश्त किया, the earthquake. Earthquake को बर्दाश्त किया उसने.
अमारत की मजबूत साख ने जलजला बर्दाश्त किया.
जलजला बर्दाश्त किया. Very good. Fantastic. Thank you.
My word is weak. It means nazuk, and its advanced synonym is fragile. F-R-A-G-I-L-E. And we will use it in a sentence like this. The fragile was broke into pieces. And its Urdu translation will be नाजुक गुलाबी गलवानी टूट गई.
Fragile means नाजुक होता है और ये बहुत ही आप देखिए कुछ शीशे के बर्तन वगैरह हो तो उसके ऊपर डिब्बे पे लिखा होता है fragile means टूट सकता है. ब्रेकेबल जो होता है that's fragile. आप बताइए क्या हार्ट भी फ्रेजाइल होता है कि नहीं होता? क्यों जी? हेलो, क्या कहते हैं आप लोग? क्या भी ब्रेकेबल होता है? ये कभी टूटा देखा तो नहीं. ये कुछ शीशे का होता है जो टूट जाता है, पागल ना हो तो. ऑलराइट, चलो नेक्स्ट वन. थैंक यू वेरी मच. Fragile.
Some word is beautiful, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, and its advanced synonym is exquisite,
Exquisite.
E-X-Q-U-I-S-I-T-E, and in Urdu it means dilkash. And if we use it in sentence,
Attractive.
then it will be
Exquisite. Fascinating.
yes.
Okay.
The view from the mountains was absolutely exquisite.
The view from the mountain was absolutely exquisite. शाबाश. Exquisite की spelling क्या है जी?
EXQUISITE.
Okay. EXQUIX.
ITE.
Ah. Exquisite. 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 Right.
My simple word is ugly. UGLY.
Ugly.
It's mean badsurat.
It means
Advanced synonym. Unattractive.
Shabash.
UNATTRACTIVE.
unattractive. Very good.
When use a word in sentence, the building
Let's use the word in a sentence. Yes.
the building design was rather unattractive. इस इमारत का डिजाइन निस्बतन बदसूरत है.
Okay. Unattractive. Ugly. Right.
My simple vocabulary word is smart.
क्या है?
Smart.
Small. SMALL. Small.
Smart.
Smart. SMART. Smart. Okay.
Advanced synonym is astute. ASTU.
Astute. ASTUTE. Okay.
Meaning chalak.
चालाक. अच्छा, स्मार्ट जो होता है, एक्सक्यूज मी, स्मार्ट जो होता है ये जिसे हम कहते हैं बहुत ज्यादा ये नॉर्मली एक वर्ड इस्तेमाल होता है चालाक के लिए इंग्लिश में एक वर्ड और भी इस्तेमाल होता है, क्लेवर. अच्छा, जो चालाक के ना इंटेलिजेंटली मतलब इंटेलिजेंट होता है. इनफैक्ट स्मार्ट मीन्स इंटेलिजेंट, राइट? Okay, great, clever.
Let's use the word in sentence. He is an astute businessman who makes wise decisions.
Astute businessman who makes wise decisions. Very good.
वो एक चालाक ताजिर है जो अक्लमंद फैसले करता है.
Very good.
My simple synonym was
Simple word
is funny. FUNNY, funny.
Funny,
And
right?
the advanced word was synonyms was hilarious. HILARIOUS, hilarious. Now the Urdu translation is mazahiya.
Hilarious. बहुत ही शानदार word है. Funny का जो advanced synonym है वो क्या है? Hilarious. HILLARIOUS, hilarious.
Now convert into the sentence. His jokes were absolutely hilarious.
His jokes were absolutely hilarious. Very good. Shabash. Hilarious.
My simple sentence is rich. RIC.
Sentence or word, vocabulary word?
Word is rich. RICH. And
RICH. Rich.
Rich. And his advanced synonym is affluent.
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 AFFLUENT. Affluent. Shabash.
Its Urdu meaning is daulatmand.
Okay.
And the sentence is affluent family donated a lot money in charity.
Affluent family donated a lot of money
in charity.
Good. Affluent. Shabash.
Next word is poor. POOR. Poor.
Sorry?
Poor. POOR.
POOR. Poor.
Yes.
Poor. Right. गरीब.
Advanced word
और
is
इसका नाउन है poverty. क्या होता है?
poverty.
गुर्बत को कहते हैं poverty. 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 Right.
Advanced synonym is impoverished.
Impoverished. Spelling?
IMPOVRISHED. Impoverished.
Impoverished.
Urdu meaning is gharib. And let's use in sentence. The impoverished village struggled to provide basic necessities.
The impoverished village struggled to provide the basic necessities to its residents. All right. रिहायशियों के लिए बुनियादी सहूलियात देने में भी गुर्बत का सामना करना पड़ा विलेज को. Right. The next
My
one.
word is slow. It means sust. The advanced synonym of slow is languid.
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 Languid. Slow का synonym है, advanced synonym है, right?
Let's use in a sentence. He moved with a languid pace due to his illness.
He moved with a languid pace के साथ चला, सुस्त रफ्तार के साथ, due to his illness, बीमारी की वजह से.
My simple word is slow, fast, and its advanced vocabulary is swift.
Fast, British fast, Americans fast. दोनों ठीक है. जैसे British जो है वो mask, American masked. British ask, Americans ask. British task, Americans task. British nasty, Americans nasty. So आप understand करोगे ए साउंड में चेंज हो जाती है.
Let's
Okay.
use in a sentence. The swift athlete won the race effortlessly.
The swift athlete, the swift athlete won the race effortlessly. Shabash. Ji.
My simple words is important. Important.
How? Important. मैंने कहा शायद Tim Hortons कह रही हैं. Okay, my simple word is important.
Advanced synonym is crucial.
शाबाश, बहुत ही अच्छी वर्ड है. Crucial. CRUCIAL. Crucial.
In Urdu meaning aham.
Right.
In sentence, it's crucial that you attend the meeting tomorrow.
It's crucial that everybody attends the meeting tomorrow. Right. Shabash. Very good.
The simple word is easy.
Simple word is easy.
Easy. Advanced vocabulary straightforward. Sida. The instructions were straightforward and easy to follow.
The instructions were straightforward and easy to follow. Shabash.
My simple word is cold. Advanced vocabulary. Cold. Advanced vocabulary chilly. Thandi.
Chilly.
Chilly. Thandi.
Right. Cold, COLD. Cold is a simple word and its advanced vocabulary is chilly. CHILLY. Chilly.
Chilly. The weather turned chilly as the sun went down.
Sorry.
Went down.
What's your sentence, please?
The weather turned chilly as the sun went down.
The weather became chilly as the sun came down or went down. Shabash. Shabash. Very good. Ji.
My simple word is warm, WARM, and advanced vocabulary is balmy.
Sorry?
Balmy.
Balmy?
Balmy.
एक minute. One moment, please.
BLM.
Balmy. Oh, मैं क्या बाल्मी पता नहीं कि बाल्मा का कोई मुखफ. Okay, balmy. BALMY. Balmy.
BALMY. Meaning is खुशगवार. The balmy breeze made the evening pleasant. खुशगवार हवा ने शाम को खुशगवार बना दिया.
Yes, warm का जो synonym है balmy, BALMY. Balmy, L silent है यहाँ. खुशगवार. The balmy breeze made the evening pleasant. Balmy breeze ने शाम को खुशगवार बना दिया. शाबाश. The next one, please.
My word is bright. It means roshan. And its advanced vocabulary is radiant. RIADIANT.
Bright का advanced vocabulary word है radiant. RADIANT. और इसका sentence क्या जी?
Her radiant smile lit up the room.
Her radiant smile lit up the room. उसकी रोशन मुस्कुराहट ने कमरे को रोशन कर दिया.
So my word is dark, and its advanced synonym is
और
gloom.
इसका जो मैंने बताया था अमजद में क्या कहा है, तुम जिस ख्वाब में आंखें खोलो उसका रूप अमर, और तुम जिस रंग के कपड़े पहनो वो मौसम का रंग, तुम जिस फूल को हंस कर देखो, यहाँ फूल है फूल नहीं है, तुम जिस फूल को हंस कर देखो कभी ना वो मुरझाए, और तुम जिस हर्फ पे उंगली रख दो वो रोशन हो जाए। शाबाश।
And its advanced synonym is gloomy.
डार्क वर्ड है जी, इसका एडवांस सिनोनिम है ग्लूमी। शाबाश।
And in Urdu, its meaning
तारीख।
is tariq.
शाबाश।
And if you use it in sentence, then it will be the gloomy weather made everyone feel down.
हाँ, तारीख मौसम ने सबको अफसरदा कर दिया। ग्लूमी, राइट।
My simple word is hard. HARD.
माई सिंपल वर्ड इज हार्ड, मेरा सिंपल बड़ा मुश्किल है। अरे नहीं, माई वोकैबुलरी, माई की वर्ड इज हार्ड। आपका की वर्ड हार्ड है, और इसका एडवांस वोकैबुलरी क्या है इसकी?
Rigid.
रिजिड, RIGID, रिजिड। ओके,
It means सख्त.
शाबाश।
His rigid approach to work made him successful. उसका सख्त काम करने का तरीका उसे कामयाब बनाता है।
शाबाश। रिजिड होता है, अब जब रिजिड कुछ लोग होते हैं जो अपने ख्यालात में बहुत पक्के होते हैं, वो चेंज नहीं करते हैं। आप देखते हैं बहुत सारे जो आपसे पिछली जनरेशन के लोग हैं वो रिजिड हैं, वो कहते हैं नहीं एनजी करना है, यही करना है। आप बड़ा समझाते हैं, कहते नहीं बाबा ज़रा थोड़ा मामलात ऐसे हो गए हैं। वो कहते नहीं पुत्र, मैं कतार च खलो के चेक लेके कैश कराना है। आप कहते बाबा आप ATM क्यों नहीं कार्ड बनवाते, कैश मशीन के पास जाएं, पैसे लेकर फारग हो जाएं। तो कुछ लोग रिजिड होते हैं इस हवाले से। आप अपनी दादों को नानों को फोन दे, मामा दादो ये आप टच फोन में आपके लिए लेकर आए, कहते नहीं पुत्र बटना ना ले गया, मुझसे ना बटनों वाला फोन ही मुझे अच्छा लगता है। आप पता नहीं होते ना ऐसे लोग, तो वो होते हैं वो पीछे रह जाते हैं, वो पिछले जमाने के साथ ही वहीं रह जाते हैं। जाते हुए पिछला जमाना, जाते हुए वो खुद को यहीं छोड़ गया है, जाते हुए वो खुद को यहीं छोड़ गया है, उसको तो बिछड़ने का सलीका भी ना आया। बाज़-औक़ात ये होता है कि कुछ लोग चले जाते हैं आपकी जिंदगी से, लेकिन जाते जोते कोई नहीं है। वो आपको महसूस होता है जैसे आहट उनकी, जैसे करीबी हों, पास ही हों, बात सुन रहे हों, इस तरह से भी होता है। जी नेक्स्ट कहाँ है, क्या है?
My simple vocabulary word is soft. Advanced synonym velvety. VELVETY.
वेलवेटी बहुत शानदार वर्ड है जी।
Meaning naram. Let's use in sentence. The velvety texture of the fabric was comforting. कपड़े की नरम साग आरामदेह थी।
शाबाश।
My simple word is healthy.
हेल्दी नहीं होता, हेल्थी होता है, हेल्थी।
Healthy.
मेक्स अ मैन हेल्थी, वेल्थी, हेल्दी वेल्दी नहीं कहना, healthy, wealthy and wise.
HEAL.
Early to bed, early to rise. Makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise.
The advanced synonym is vigorous. VIGOROUS. And the Urdu translation is sehatmand. And let's convert into the sentence was she maintains a vigorous lifestyle by exercising regularly.
जी हेल्थी था इसका सिंपल वर्ड, इसका एडवांस वोकैबुलरी था विगरस, VIGOREUS, विगरस सेहतमंद होता है। और इसका सेंटेंस उन्होंने बनाया है, शी मेंटेन्स अ विगरस लाइफस्टाइल बाय एक्सरसाइजिंग रेगुलरली, वो बाकायदगी से वर्जिश करके एक सेहतमंद जिंदगी गुजारती है। जी द नेक्स्ट वन।
My simple word is sick, SICK.
Okay.
And the advanced vocabulary is ailment, AILMENT.
एलमेंट होता है,
Ailment, AIL.
सिक नहीं है, सिकनेस है, सिकनेस होगा। और इसका नाउन टू नाउन इसकी करेंगे जब उसका एडवांस वोकैबुलरी में आप सिनोनिम बताएंगे तो एलमेंट होगा, AILMENT, एलमेंट बीमारी।
And the Urdu translation is bimari. He in the sentences he is suffering.
कहते हैं किथों एलमेंट मेरे पीछे पै गई है, Oh, sorry, bimari.
And the Urdu
Oh, sorry.
and the Urdu sentence and the sentence is he is suffering from a mild ailment and need rest.
माइल्ड एलिमेंट से सफर कर रहा है और उसको उस आराम की जरूरत है. शाबाश. आराम हराम है अगर उसे मिल जाए तो.
My keyword is
मदर है 24/7, वो जो है वो घर की मुलाजमा होती है 24/7. Oh my God. जी.
my keyword is big. B-I-G, big. Advanced synonym is enormous. E-N-O-R-M-O-U-S, enormous, बड़ा. Let's use in sentence.
नहीं, वो आपने स्मॉल बड़ा कर लिया है. आपका सिक स्मॉल वाला नहीं था. आपने बोला स्मॉल वाला.
आपका स्मॉल है.
28 वाला है. आप 29 बोल रही हैं.
Yeah.
जी, इसका मैं बोल देता हूं. स्मॉल इसका कीवर्ड है. स्मॉल. स्मॉल नहीं कहते, स्मॉल. SMAL, स्मॉल. एडवांस वोकैबुलरी की है पिटीट. PETITE, पिटीट. और ये होता है छोटा. सेंटेंस बनेगा द पिटीट डॉग, छोटे कुत्ते ने फिट, छोटा कुत्ता फिट इजीली इनटू द स्मॉल बेड. छोटा कुत्ता आसानी से छोटे बिस्तर पर फिट हो गया. ऑलराइट जी. नेक्स्ट वन इज
My next word is big.
बिग.
Advanced synonym is enormous.
एनॉर्मस.
E-N-O.
एनॉर्मस नहीं, एनॉर्मस.
Enormous. E-N-O-R-M-O-U-S, enormous, बड़ा. Let's use in sentence. The enormous building stood out in the skyline.
जी, बड़ी इमारत शहर के आसमान पर नजर आ रही थी. शाबाश.
My word is quiet. And the advanced vocabulary is serene.
Serene. SERENE. Serene.
The serene atmosphere of the park made it perfect for relaxation.
क्वाइट, खामोश. serene, पुरसुकून जो होता है ना, उसकी सेंस में आता है. The serene atmosphere of the park made it perfect for relaxation. पार्क का खामोश माहौल आराम के लिए बेहतरीन था. शाबाश. Thank you very much everybody for giving us 30 fantastic words along with their advanced synonyms and their meanings and sentences as well, please. So it was a big day today, and really we have learned a lot through this exercise. We haven't learned 30 words, we have learned 60 words actually. 30 simple words, keywords, and 30 their advanced vocabulary. Maybe there are lots of words which you knew already about, but still you didn't have an idea how to use them in sentences. We have also given you sentences, and in sentences you've also learned some new words. So have you learned something today? Yes. It was it interesting assignment? Yes. Yeah, it was very interesting and very informative as well. Best of luck. Thank you very much.